If you're a small to mid-sized sales team looking for a CRM that's powerful but easy to use, Pipeline CRM might be exactly what you need. Formerly known as Pipeline Deals, it was built from the ground up for salespeople, not IT departments or marketing specialists. Pipeline CRM focuses on what matters most: visibility, accountability, and conversion. With a simple layout and intuitive navigation, it's designed to help teams close more deals with less clutter. Whether you're managing dozens of leads or hundreds of ongoing client conversations, Pipeline CRM keeps your sales process moving smoothly. In this video, we'll show you how to get started, walk through its most valuable features, and explain why Pipeline is a great choice for growing businesses that need structure without complexity. So first, simply head over to pipelinecrm.com, and from here you can start a free trial to test out their CRM. So simply click on Start a Trial and create your account. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your CRM dashboard. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So you'll see all of your deals right here. So you'll see 5 deals. We have this qualified deal, request for infos. We all have this amounts right here. You can see the agenda, you can see latest email interaction. So basically, you'll see all of your workflow in one dashboard. And of course, they have a customizable dashboard. As you can see, you can remove some of these tables right here. You can move the tables wherever you want them to. You can arrange them to however you want them to. As you can see, basically the first table is the pipeline. And of course, you can always add to dashboard. So you can add report, the goal, list view, or view. Next feature is we have the companies feature right here. So basically, these are all sample data, but this is what the free version or the trial will do or will help us. So as you can see, we have sample companies right here. So let's say we have this pipeline company. Just click on it and you'll see the company details. So we can see when it was last updated, the total pipeline, won deals. You can see all the deals right here. We have the activity feed, custom field, the people who is with this deal or company, and of course the contact info. So let's just go back. So if you want to add a new company, of course, just click right here in the top right, add new company, and fill up this data yourself. The next feature is the deals. So as you can see, we will see all of your deals right here, the deal name, which company you had this deal with, the summary, amount, status. So of course, you can always uh, filter all of this for yourself. You'll see which pipeline this belongs to, the stage, source, and all of that. And to add a new deal, again, just click on Add New Deal right here in the top right and fill up all of this data right here. And of course, if you have bunch of different deals that you want to import here, you can always import. So you can import using Excel or CSV files. And again, we have this list view or Kanban view right here. So you can always customize this where whatever your preference is. So you can use a Kanban board or a list view. Next, we have the people section. So basically, here are all of your people or contacts. So you'll see their full names right here. You can add the photos. You can add their company, their info, who's the owner of this people or contacts. You can add the source and all of this right here. And to add a new people or person, just click again right here and add all of the details. So this CRM is kind of easy to use. So it's really user friendly. You'll see everything in one place. Next, we have the agenda section. So you'll see all of your agenda right here. Works the same as companies, deals, and people. Next is calendar. So from here, you will see your calendar. So you will see if you have schedule appointments. And of course, you can always add tasks or appointments in your calendar if you want. So let's say you have an appointment for Saturday. You can always click on the 26th box. You can add the event name, the person associated to this event or appointment, the type. You can assign this to your team members. You can select the priority, start time and end time, and click save. Next, we have email. So from here, of course, you can always sync your email. So you can sync your Google or your Outlook email right here and view your email here on Pipeline CRM. Next, we have the reports. So as you can see, these are just bunch of different graphs and charts to see the reports of your workflow. So basically, you'll see the reports of your deals won, the win ratio, lost deals, deals by stage, and all these reports. Next, we have our goals. So as you can see, we can create individual goals, team goals, company goals. You can create a goal to see leaderboard. What makes this goal features really fun is that you have the leaderboard. So basically, it makes you competitive with your team members, and of course, this helps you create more deals. Next is files. So from here, you can always upload your files right here. You can upload photos, videos, or documents that you need for your work. And we have the more section, which is to customize our header. Also see the map right here, notifications, so basically notifications if you received a new email, if a team member has completed a task, you'll see here in notifications. And of course, right here we have the quick add section. So if you want to add a person, deal, company, user, again, of course, you can add users also. So basically, the users are your team members. So simply add in their names, email, their role, and send invite. So basically, that is the most basic and essential features of Pipeline CRM. So as you can see in this video, the dashboard and the CRM itself is very user friendly. So feel free to explore the CRM by yourself and you'll get used to it in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.